Hey everyone, and welcome. So if you've been thinking of GitHub Copilot as just a souped up autocomplete, get ready because we are about to blow that idea right out of the water. Today we're going on a journey from just being a user to becoming a true master, unlocking the full power of your AI pair programmer. Let's get into it. So, here's our flight plan for today. We're going to start by completely reframing what Copilot even is. Then, we'll get you all set up and take that first flight. After that, we'll dive into mastering the controls inside your IDE, pull off some pretty advanced maneuvers, and finally, put you where you belong, right in the pilot's seat. So buckle up, let's get started. All right, first things first. We have to shift our thinking here. Copilot isn't just a tool that kind of finishes your lines of code. No, it's a totally new way to think about building software. This right here, this quote just nails it. You have to stop thinking of Copilot as a passive little utility and start seeing it as a junior developer sitting right next to you. It's super fast, it's eager, it's ready to do all the grunt work, but, and this is key, it's looking to you for the big ideas and the final say. So at its very core, Copilot is all about translating your intent, what you say in plain English, directly into code. By taking care of all that tedious boilerplate stuff, it just frees you up. Your mental energy can now be spent on what really matters, the architecture, the tricky logic, and solving those really tough problems. Okay, enough talk, let's get you airborne. The setup process is so simple. Seriously, in just a couple of minutes, you're going to experience that aha moment for yourself. It really is just 3 easy steps. 1, make sure you've got a Copilot subscription tied to your GitHub account. 2, pop open the marketplace in your favorite IDE, VS Code, JetBrains, whatever you use, and grab the GitHub Copilot extension. And 3, just sign in with GitHub. That's it. You're ready to fly. And here comes the fun part. That first time you get a genuinely helpful suggestion, it's a real wow moment. All you have to do is write a clear comment, something like #get a list of products from the database and sort by price. Or you could just start typing a function name, like function get sorted products, semicolon, and then just pause. You'll see this grayed out text pop up. That's Copilot's idea. You just hit the tab key and bam, that code is now your code. It's awesome. Okay, so you're off the ground, which is great, but now it's time to actually learn how to fly this thing. To get truly great results from Copilot, you can't be a passive passenger. You have to be an active participant, and it all starts with one absolutely crucial concept. Listen, if you only remember one thing from this entire explainer, make it this. Context is everything. The quality of Copilot suggestions is directly tied to the quality of the context you give it. And the single best thing you can do? Open the other relevant files in your editor. If you're working on a user profile page, open the user model, the API service file, the CSS. This gives Copilot this rich map of your project so it can make suggestions that actually make sense. This little diagram here, this is your new workflow. It's a beautiful feedback loop. You feed Copilot great context with open files and really detailed comments. Copilot's big brain processes all of that information. And what you get back isn't just random code, it's code that's actually aware of your project's specific architecture. And it gets even better. We're talking way beyond simple code completion. If you're using Copilot Chat, you've got these incredible / commands. Staring at some ancient code you've never seen before? Just highlight it and type /explain. Got a bug? It's driving you nuts? Try /fix. And my favorite? Need to write some tests? Just type /tests. These are absolute game changers for your daily workflow. To really level up, you need to learn how to talk to Copilot. Think about it. Don't give it one giant complex task. Break it down into smaller commented steps. Tell it explicitly, hey, use the Redux toolkit for this, or I want to use the repository pattern here. You can even give it little examples of what the input and output should look like. And of course, the basics still matter. Good, meaningful variable names help a ton. All right, let's kick it up a notch. This next part is for all you team leads, architects, and DevOps pros. Copilot has features that go way beyond just writing code in one file. It can help you enforce consistency across your entire project. Okay, this is huge for team leads. You can actually create a special file in your repo, .github/copilot-instructions.md. Inside this file, you can write down your project's rules, your core architecture, your coding conventions, the libraries you always use. Copilot reads this file and uses it as its guide. It's like having your team's style guide baked right into the AI, ensuring everyone gets consistent, high-quality suggestions. And for my DevOps friends, guess what? Copilot doesn't just live in your IDE. With the GitHub CLI extension, you get Copilot right in your terminal. You can ask it to generate some crazy awk or sed command you can never remember, have it scaffold an entire CI/CD workflow, or even ask it to explain a cryptic shell script error. It's amazing. So we have covered a ton of ground, from the very basics to some seriously advanced stuff. But now let's bring it all home and talk about the most important part of this whole equation, which of course is you. This slide lays it all out perfectly, the difference between a rookie user and a real pro. The rookie blindly hits tab on every suggestion. The pro critically reviews the code, understands it, and then decides to use it. Don't work in isolation. Give it context. Don't write vague comments. Be specific. And please never, ever treat it like it's perfect. It's your assistant, not your replacement. And that really is the main takeaway here. There's a reason it's called Copilot and not Autopilot. You are the pilot in command. It's there to help, to navigate, to handle the routine stuff. But the final call, the critical thinking, the ultimate responsibility for the quality of that code, that's all on you. So, with everything we've talked about, you're no longer just a passenger. You're in the cockpit, in full control of one of the most powerful coding tools ever built. The only question left is, where are you going to tell it to go? The flight plan is all yours.